That first step into the stock market is terrifying. You hear terms like brokerage, ticker symbol, and you freeze. But what if I told you that owning a piece of Amazon or Apple is easier than ordering pizza online? In the next 60 seconds, I'm giving you the 5 simple steps to go from zero to stock owner. Stop watching from the sidelines. Here is the playbook. Step 1. Choose your brokerage. You need a modern app like Fidelity or Robinhood that offers fractional shares and zero commissions. Step 2. Fund your account. Start small. $25 is enough to begin. Step 3. Pick your first stock or ETF. I recommend a low-cost, diversified ETF like VOO or VTI to reduce risk. Step 4. Place the order. Don't worry about timing the market. Just hit the buy button and choose market order to buy immediately. And finally, Step 5. Celebrate and commit. You are now an owner, not just a consumer. Commit to making this a habit, buy regularly, regardless of the price. That's it. You've officially conquered the hardest part. You've bypassed the fear and the confusing jargon, and you're on the path to building real wealth. Ready for the next step? Now that you own a stock, what do you do next? Next week, I'm breaking down the 3 critical mistakes new stock owners make. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. Follow the Fund Flow channel.